Yeah. Where me salon sister then, me salon brothers then. Una no know wetin dey go on. Una no know wetin dey go happen now. God, big opportunity na this Europe yeah. For wetin? Me 3 months na this business yeah. If you see wetin I don earn, I don't go to my account. If you see money, I no believe. Just less than 3 months, I don't receive more than 3,000 euros already. So now make I tell una say una come join this business. God. I see people they who they work in a bank, they left their work, can't join this business, and today they make am. You know what? Because now you get the back for you for tomorrow. Now this Europe, yeah. This Europe difficult. This Europe difficult. Forget money. You know you buy house safe for your mama na Africa. Because waiting, how much did they pay you? You go kidnap, work till you tire. Enable because you for same money Africa for your sister then, for your brothers then, for your auntie then, for you this. When you go save. So you get big opportunity na this business here for save that money there. My sister, when I join this business, they think say, should I join? Oh, waiting, not true, safe or not true? My sister, God say go for it. Not true. And today now they enjoy so. I sit down on my house, I they work, I they earn me money. Waiting sweet pass down there. My sister, my brother. Una no waste una time now use Europe yeah. Una get back home. Una not forget say na Africa will come out. We need this money yeah. For take and go salon, for take and go outside, for take and go Africa. Me brother and sister, if you get that website they think and say tomorrow let's see if I go join. I wanna go to join. No, God say join. Me sister, you and your family una go free. From work, go run away, from bus to bus, from train to train there, they go pursue, go tinap, they walk, they tire. I say, come join the big opportunity. Come join this opportunity we God make for you. My sister, my brother. This business, you work in place, they go take you go with your family travel 3 times in the year. We say you get down there, now this business. We say they work na company whatsoever na this European. Would that take you go 3 times holiday? All expenses na they repair. Hotel with your family now would that able down there na this company. So my sister, my brother, una sign up today before it will be too late. Tomorrow I go talk say, hey, nah, I see one guy they can talk this thing. I feel saying a lie. We say, not true. The kind of money they in this place here, you able get buy house for yourself, motoka, and yourself in this Europe. So nobody fool you. Me gladly, you see me so? I they come up from A right now. I they go Z to look at me, even my skin, because of our product, how amazing it is, how beautiful it is, how lovely, because it's all plant-based. It change your life for good. My sister and my brothers there. Una can't join this business. It's big opportunity for you guys. Where you would they think about I feel say not true. Not true. Why do you waste time? Why are you wasting time? Come and join this business. We know say everything there back home they wait for us. If you get job, take this opportunity, make this job a second job. Wallahi, go put that your first job down and take this one. Now me tell you that day today. So take her or leave it. This opportunity, grab it. Grab it before it's too late for you. Thank you guys all.